subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to be in touch.
The result of Johnny Depp's defamation lawsuit against Amber Heard in Virginia, in which he won a comprehensive victory and was awarded $15 million in damages, was surprising for a host of reasons. One of them was that it differed so sharply from a very similar suit Depp brought in the UK but lost, even though the UK is considered an easy venue in which to win a libel case. Depp didn't just lose the UK suit, he lost it hard. When he tried to appeal the case to a higher court, senior judges flatly rejected him, saying a new trial was pointless because he couldn't possibly win. A few things explain why the US suit went in his favor, even on notionally hostile territory. The two trials were essentially about the same thing, whether Depp abused Heard. But the specifics differed and inevitably shaped the outcome. In the UK, Depp wasn't suing Heard but The Sun, the country's biggest tabloid, which ran a column describing Depp as a "one-shooter" in the headline. That case was about The Sun defending its story, which, in turn, cited legal claims Heard made when divorcing Depp. The Sun made its defense with help from Heard and her lawyers, but she was not the one getting sued. The US case, on the other hand, was personal. It was also about an article, in the Washington Post, but one with Heard's name on it. Depp didn't sue the outlet but Heard herself, basing his suit on 3 moments in the article where she described herself as a victim of domestic abuse. These, he said, were untrue and an attack on his character. Heard did not name Depp or give any specifics of the abuse. But jurors decided that she clearly meant Depp, that her claims of being a victim were untrue, and that she was purposefully lying, a legal standard known as actual malice. Judge versus jury. Almost certainly the most significant difference between the two trials was who got to choose the winner. The US suit was decided by a jury of 7 ordinary people, 5 men and 2 women. We don't know exactly how the jury came to its decision, which took 3 days of deliberation in secret. In the UK, there was no jury. The issue was decided at London's High Court by a judge, Andrew Nicol. Nicol and the US jury differed on one pivotal point, whether it was true that Depp attacked Heard while they were married. The jury concluded it wasn't true, and Nicol concluded that it was. Unlike the jury, Nicol explained his decision in a 67,000-word document that is available online. Nicol listed 14 times in which Depp was accused of abusing Heard and said that he had been persuaded that 12 of them were true. He explicitly rejected the idea, which loomed large in the US trial, that Heard's claims were false. He also attached no weight to the idea that Heard was motivated by money and lied to get a divorce payout. He said he found her accounts believable despite a series of claims from Depp's team questioning her credibility. While we can't know the details of what the jurors thought, insiders Ashley Coleman spoke with legal experts who said Heard failed to get the jury to believe her and that Depp's team successfully undermined her. Niyama Rahmani, president of West Coast Trial Lawyers, said Heard appeared to be caught in a lie several times, such as when she described her interactions with the media. Rahmani also gave a lot of credit to Depp's personality in the trial. The jurors loved him. The public loved him. Everyone on social media loved him. Depp's charisma likely had less influence on a professional judge like Nicol. Where did the divorce money go? An issue that loomed large in both cases was what Heard did with her $7 million settlement from divorcing Depp. On this point, the US case dropped a bombshell that was never featured in the UK trial. Nicol, in his ruling, said that he found Heard credible partly because she didn't profit from divorcing Depp, citing her announcement that she would give all the money to charity. Her donation of the $7 million to charity is hardly the act one would expect of a gold digger, Nicol said. In the UK trial, Depp's team did not challenge Heard's claim that she was giving the money away. That changed in the US trial, in which Heard admitted under questioning that she never gave the money away. She said she still intended to donate the full $7 million but couldn't because she needed it for the lawsuit. The court heard that $1.3 million had been given away in Heard's name but that only $350,000 was from her, with $100,000 from Depp and $500,000 from her then-boyfriend, Elon Musk. That information wasn't available to Nicol, who took Heard's pledge at face value, though it isn't clear how that may have affected the overall question of her credibility. Elaine Bredehoft, Heard's lawyer, also pointed to other evidential differences, saying after the verdict that an enormous amount of evidence was suppressed in the case, including medical records and text messages. She also said Heard's lawyers were not allowed to tell the jury the result of the UK trial. Lessons learned. The UK suit was launched after Depp had already started the action in Virginia, meaning the cases were developing separately.